What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to fix not feature not showing on Instagram. A lot of people want to try this feature. A lot of people have never tested it, and most people, they don't even know what are nots on Instagram. So for those who don't know, nots are just like stories. You post a note, it disappears within 24 hours. The same thing with story, but the only difference is when you are notes are just texts. So you can just type something and other people are going to see it. You can't add the picture, you can add stuff like that you do on story. So they are the same, not really a big difference, but the only difference is notes are not shown to people, to public. They are only, when you post a note, people who are only close to you, close friends, are going to be able to see these notes, and people that you follow back. Not people that follow you, but people you follow back. These are people who are going to see the notes. So if that feature is not showing on your Instagram, I'm gonna be showing you a couple of methods that you can do. The first method, guys, you want to go to your App Store or Play Store, Google Play Store, and search for Instagram. And then click Instagram and then click update. It says for me open because I already updated the app. And since I updated the app, I now have the note feature on my account. As you can see here, it's in the top left. I can type whatever and then click share. As you can see here, guys, like I said to you, followers you follow back or close friends at the bottom. It won't be shown to public. Now after you update the app, see if that feature has been added to you or not. If not, go to your Instagram and contact Instagram, tell them that the note feature is not showing on your Instagram. You want to click three little dots in the top, three little lines in the top right, and then click settings. And after that, you want to click help, click report a problem, and then click report a problem without shaking, and then click don't include and continue. And here you have to explain to them, take a screenshot of that and then send it to them. After that, you want to type here notes feature not showing, please fix it. That's all you need to do. You don't have to type something like, you just have to type notes feature not showing or anything like that. Doesn't really matter. You don't have to type the exact same thing. So, and then click send in the top, and they will get back to you within 24 hours or 48 hours. I don't know exactly, but hopefully, guys, they are going to fix this to fix your problem. Let me know in the comments if this works. Okay, after like 24 hours, let me know if they have added that feature to you. Leave a like. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like.